Yesterday marked the second day of the two-day strike called by the several auto and taxi driver unions in Delhi NCR as commuters across the capital once again faced major transportation challenges. The unions are protesting against the likes of Ola, Uber and Rapido over unfair pay and other legal issues. And according to the Vice President of the Delhi Auto Taxi Transport Union, the main reason behind the strike is that the aggregator companies are running illegally and the drivers are being underpaid. As a result, several people at the New Delhi railway station and other parts of the capital were left stranded as they labored to find a ride.
Today is day 2 of the strike called by cab and auto drivers across Delhi, and the brunt of this is being faced by commuters who are trying to get to their places of work or attend to an emergency. Right now I'm reporting from the Mandi House metro station. I want to show you what a commuter would face when they exit this metro station and try and book a cab through the aggregators to get to their place of work or to their homes. The first app that we're going to be trying shows our base price is facing a surge. Now this is for 400 and this is the cheapest option that's available right now. On the other app, since we've already tried this before, we see a notification that all rides are full, and on the third, it's still on request. So this is what the commuters have also been complaining since morning, that every time they log into any of these apps, they have to spend some 15 to 20 minutes just looking at the loading screens to get some more information. We will try and see if we know. The closest cab you can see right now is also 17 minutes away, and it is nowhere close to being accepted by the cab driver. And right now also, while the pickup shows 14 minutes, we have a notification from the other app that it has been cancelled. So this is what the commuters have been saying since yesterday, and we also saw them repeat these complaints today, that immense waiting periods, uncertainty is what they've had to face for the last 2 days. Today is the second day of the strike called by auto and taxi unions in Delhi, and a number of places we're seeing that commuters are suffering. They have to wait for over 20-30 minutes to get a confirmation on the cab, and still that cab takes another 20-30 minutes to reach. Here we're at the New Delhi railway station, where a couple of commuters have spent the last 20 minutes glued to their phones trying to get an app confirmation. We'll be speaking to somebody here. Excuse me, आप कितनी देर से कैब बुक करने का ट्राई कर रहे हैं?
एक्चुअली मैं लास्ट 10 मिनट से ट्राई कर रहा था और अब जाके कैब बुक हुई है।
आप किधर जाना चाह रहे हैं?
मैं तो ग्रेटर नोएडा जाना चाह रहा था।
ग्रेटर नोएडा। आपको फेयर आज इंक्रीज दिखा रहा है?
फेयर यूजुअली रहता है 700, लेकिन आज मेरे को लग रहा है 979
जी। और कितनी देर में आपकी कैब आने के लिए कह रही है?
अभी तो 5 किलोमीटर है, तो 11 मिनट दिखा रहा है, लेट देखिए कब तक आता है।
Correct. So there is a lot of uncertainty right now at the station. A lot of people are getting a cab. Some are definitely not. They're going back dejected or taking auto services. कितनी देर से आप वेट कर रहे हैं कैब?
15 मिनट हो गए।
और कैब आ रही कंफर्म हुई है अभी तक?
अभी तक नहीं आया।
कंफर्म नहीं हुई है। तो इधर जाना है आपको?
गुड़गांव।
और गुड़गांव अगर नहीं कैब आती तो फिर आपका क्या रहेगा?
वेट करेंगे या किसी को बुलाएंगे।
क्या आपको मालूम था कि आज यहाँ हड़ताल होनी है?
नहीं, पहले से नहीं मालूम था। अभी मैं घर से आ रहा हूँ।
15 मिनट से मैं देख रहा हूँ, नहीं हो रहा है।
कितनी देर से आप वेट कर रहे हैं सर?
हाफ एन आवर हो गया।
हाफ एन आवर हो गया और अभी तक कैब बुक नहीं हुई है।